welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector or anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. I'm Navi and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Parker Rialto model ballpoint pen. First I'll show you that pen, and here is a pen. Okay, this overall body is made up of metal. Look at the color combination. It's silver, gold and then black color finish. So today we are going to review this ballpoint pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn at penhouse.in. So let's move on to the video. This is Parker Rialto model ballpoint pen. This overall body is made up of metal and the design, it's like a straight line design and it's nice. Yes, I just love this pen. So here is a golden color trim rings and then band. It's an arrow clip. Most of the Parker pen we can see this clip. And this clip is a user friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket. And it's just nice and pretty cool. It feels like it's like a lightweight pen and I just love this combination. It's like a flat finial in the top and in the bottom. It's nice with a rounded circle design in the top and the bottom. Okay, now we'll do the construction of the pen. We'll check whether it's a usual length or it's an heavyweight pen or in a midweight. We'll check that and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Parker Rialto model ballpoint pen. And now we'll calculate the length, and this is a flat finial, so we can easily calculate the length. It's 132.54 mm. Now we'll remove the cap and check the length. It carries 117.09 mm. Calculate the grip section diameter. Carries 8.79 mm. And this grip section diameter carries 8.17 mm. There is no thread here. So we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Parker Rialto model ballpoint pen. And we are going to calculate the weight. It's 21 gram and this is a lightweight pen. Now I'll remove the cap and check the weight. It's 14 gram and here is a cap. This carries 6 gram. Now let's unscrew this and check the weight of the barrel. And the bottom carries 7 gram. This grip section part including the refill, it carries 7 gram and without refill it carries 3 gram and this refill carries 4 gram. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen. It's just a lightweight pen with unusual length. Now we look into the pen. It's a snap-on cap with black color grip section. Yes, it's nice, it's comfortable. Here is a tip. This is a medium tip and it comes with a blue color refill. I'll show you that now. It's Parker Queuing Flow ball pen refill. Instead of this branded refill, you can also use Zinno or Smith or any other branded refills. That spare is also available in penhouse.in. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Parker Rialto model ball pen and this is a medium tip. Now we are going to do the writing sample. First we are going to write penhouse.in. And next we are going to write Parker Rialto model ballpoint pen and this is blue color refill. I'll do the smoothing test. Yeah, it's very smooth and this grip section is nice. Yes. Now with the alphabets. It's very smooth. And I don't want to make more pressure while writing. It's just amazing horizontal line and vertical line. And it's very dark. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's an amazing grip section with a super ink flow actually. This blue color leaf full. Very smooth and very dark color. And I just love this pen, and Parker set of audience will be there. You can definitely try this pen. This will be a perfect for you. And who all can use this pen? This is a Parker normal premium pen, and all the school students and office going adults can use this pen, but this is a luxury pen, so adults can use this pen. And we came to the end of the session. Whether Pen House is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Parker, Schiffer, Cross, Pentel, and then Parker, all branded pens like Ranga, Ratnam, all branded pens including spares are available in penhouse.in. So, and then that we are manufacturing our own products like ballpoint pens, roller ball, and then fountain pens, including handmade pens, stylus pens are available. In that God design pens are available, and especially handmade and then silver filigree pens. You can customize your own designs like your company name or logo or any of friend names or any other God design or symbols in that pen. That will be memorable for you. And we are manufacturing acrylic and MDF products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items, and short timings and affordable prices, including trending couple acrylic gift items, thumbprint, and then pen stand, desktop essential, all stationery items like this, and then MDF products. You can also customize your own designs. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description, kindly see to it. Your own designs are always welcome. If you want to purchase this pen, website link is in the comment section, kindly see to it and enjoy your order. Grab it soon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.